This is REALME Narzo 50, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can link an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Calendar app. Here it is. Then, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, you know the drill. Then choose the date that you would like to create an event on. So I'll go with the 30th of March, per se. To your bottom right, you'll find the plus icon, which you want to tap on. Then add the title of your event. Set the time frames at which it will occur or at which it will take place. Perhaps you will need, you can change the time zone if you will need to. Make this event repetitive or reoccurring one. If necessary, invite some people or other participants. Add the location at which the event will take place. Set your notifications or reminding preferences. Perhaps write some brief description for you to, tell this event apart from any other event if title is not enough. Change the visibility of this event and switch its status from busy to free and vice versa. Then save your changes, and here you have it. Now you can tap on event to see its details as well as edit those details or remove the event entirely. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.